He's an idiot. What else was one of the comments that was stupid? Some were good.
Tell them they're stupid.
Some were not.
How much testosterone do I need to take for my father to be proud of me? I'm outside a testosterone replacement therapy doctor here in Sandy Springs, Georgia. I'm about to be assessed for TRT, get my blood drawn, and see if I'm a candidate for testosterone replacement therapy. Let's go. The doc will also be responding to the controversy in the comments section of the last video. Hey.
Welcome to the body.
Darius, good to see you. This is where you'd usually fill out some paperwork, get a physical exam, and the doctor would ask you some questions about your dick, but let's get to the good stuff. Sure. All right. This is where it all goes down. Hey, Dr. Deal.
Kidney, liver function, CBC is white cells, red cells, hemoglobin, hematocrit, platelets, thyroid, estradiol, testosterone, PSA. There's still a lot of miseducation out there, as some of your comments said. So,
Sure.
one guy in particular said, "There's no reason to suppress estrogen ever." He's an idiot.
All right, if I faint, you're going to catch me?
That's why I got you sitting. When a man's estrogen level rises, like over 50, 60, even get 70, it's competing with testosterone. You don't want that.
Yeah.
You want to, you're going to have the effects of a female hormone in you.
I wanted to ask you about that. Why do some guys get titties?
It's because they aromatize. I mentioned that in a thing. It converts from testosterone into estrogen. So then, whatever, you get a little more emotional, a little booze, a little tenderness in your nipples, that kind of thing.
Well, I should do some of these to get my vein, get vascular for the camera.
You don't need anything for that.
Some of the commenters said I wasn't vascular enough. But you didn't take all the heat, Dr. Deal. You think there are people that drink blood for real?
There's probably some crazy people out there.
What are the chances that I roid rage if I do TRT?
What, you rage?
Yeah, roid rage.
2 to 3%. That's not much. It's not much. But that's why you go to a doctor and you monitor that type of thing. So, but those side effects are all, under 5%. So that's pretty safe stuff.
Will it shrink
and
my balls?
Especially for it will.
Really? Like
think of why?
100%?
A little.
Yeah.
Why? Just think about it.
Because I'm not producing it on my own.
Your balls say, "Hey, I don't need to work, man."
Right.
So just the testosterone you're getting falsely from me is suppressing your testosterone that's produced in the testicles.
Okay.
Period. So they do shrink. There's some therapies that can prevent that. Clomid, even growth hormone, human growth hormones, which will kind of repress that. But I also mentioned the sperm count goes down too.
Yeah.
So,
and then how much testosterone do I need to take for my father to be proud of me?
Your dad to be proud. I'm not sure what you mean by that exactly.
I don't know. I don't know what I mean either.
So, one of your comments was, not your comment, but these other guys. Oh yeah, about the dosing schedule.
Yeah.
And I just used generally once a week. It's just easier for everybody. You don't take 2 shots. Twice a week is fine. I do that with a percentage of patients just because it smooths out instead of the spikes.
Yep.
It does a sine wave with the testosterone. So it works with some guys. Some guys You know, they just forget to give themselves a shot or just don't like giving themselves a shot, that type of thing.
Yeah.
So it's, you know, it's certainly a technique that we use here. But what else was one of the comments that was stupid? I don't know. But they were, you know, some were good.
Tell them they're stupid.
Some were not. Anyway, yeah. Oh, no, the other one. Yeah, the old guy's a quack. He doesn't know what
I have one more question.
Yeah.
Do you think Michelle Obama's on TRT?
Hell if I know. How the hell would I know that?
All right.
Let's see, who would be on TRT?
Yeah. The Rock?
Hulk Hogan, but he's dead.
Yeah, for sure.
Rock, probably, but who knows?
Yeah.
How about Sandra Bullock?
Oh, geez, I don't know, man. Could be. You know, women, I've got hundreds of women on testosterone therapy, so who knows?
Yeah.
It's out there, and they took the, like I said in the thing, they took the black box off the labeling. The FDA took the black box off, so hormone therapy for women is in. I mean, it's just part of the thing that was a generation of women lost. Postmenopausal women was lost.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Let
me get this all set up here.
So instead of injecting it, could I snort it?
No.
Okay. All right. And then
It's an oil.
There's an oil?
Okay? No, a testosterone product is an oil.
Okay.
No, you can't do that.
Couldn't snort it. And then what if there's a disaster, like the grid goes down, I can't get my TRT, and I just become a bitch like when I needed most?
No, like I said, you know, even if you go cold turkey for a little while, it doesn't matter. It's not gonna hurt you.
Okay.
You just feel a little crappy for a while, but it's not gonna just destroy your life or anything.
I won't be in a fetal position while the world is burning. Okay.
Nope. But you'll know, and like women, when they get low on the testosterone, they know, and they come in. They like it,
Yeah.
and it's functional for them. So that's good. It's good stuff. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Thanks, Dr. Deal.
You're welcome.
All right, blood is drawn. I look like a Muay Thai fighter. I'm gonna come back in a few days to get the results, see what my testosterone levels are. Hopefully I don't have some smoldering cancer. And I'm gonna make my decision on TRT, so stay tuned for that. If you'd like to know how to boost your testosterone naturally, I have a whole video on that. Link is in the description. I also have a downloadable guide, a full framework on how to boost your testosterone naturally. The link is in the description. Stay tuned, I'll see you next week.